Hi guys, I'm Florentino L. Santana and welcome to Communication Planning. So, what is communication planning? Communication planning is a strategic process that includes developing a plan to communicate with the stakeholders or the target audience of an organization's operation. Key elements in creating communication plan includes defining the goals and objectives, communication channels, establishing your timeline, allocating your resources, and a feedback mechanism for continuous improvement.
Conduct a situational analysis, analyze audience, define the statement of the problem, identify the goals and objectives, create a strategic approach, make a key message, establish a creative brief, build a communication budget plan, create a Gantt chart, and lastly, monitor the effectiveness of a comp plan.
And conclusion, strategic approach in communication planning is essential for organizations to convey their message, engage with the target audience, and to achieve the communication objectives. Additionally, taking a strategic approach allows organization to build strong relationship with the target audience and to achieve the desired outcomes. In the next episode of Communication Plan, we'll see the proper steps to have a good communication plan. To be updated, please like, follow, share, and tap the notification button and see you to the next video. Click Speak.